there's two sides to the company where we make pharmaceuticals for the government through Pharmac, which we supply the population, but also on the toiletry side where we can make a lot of changes to formulations. We try to very proactively take out any ingredients which could potentially have some effect on people's health. We take out things like MIT, triclosan, EDTA, SLS, SLES, petroleum-based products. We got a whole list of things that we try to take out very proactively to protect people. A lot of these ingredients are still legal to use and are used in a lot of products. But what we're doing is very proactively looking around the world to see what research is saying about new ingredients, what research is coming up about ingredients and potential impacts to people's health, and then taking those out very proactively. Years before we're required to take them off the market, we will actually take them out of our product. In reformulating to take out some of these things, it does take a lot of time. We just came out with a new range, which is it's palm-free and it's 100% natural, and it took us nearly 2 years to do that formulation. So it's much harder to formulate when you're using natural and safe ingredients, and it costs a bit more because those ingredients cost more. But at the same time, a lot of the manufacturers of the raw materials recognize that this is happening and that there's a demand for this. So there's always new materials coming out. So we spend a lot of time with our R&D team sending them to international conferences so that they understand what's leading edge thinking around formulation and what are brand new raw materials that are coming out, so they can come out with safer and better products for the New Zealand consumers. So the big trends most recently are really around plant-based ingredients, so replacing petroleum-based ingredients, petroleum-based surfactants with ones that are plant-based, and also a big move away from palm. While palm oil and palm oil derivatives are used in so many products, consumers are becoming very aware of the environmental impacts of using palm. So we've been able to formulate specifically with some of working with the raw material suppliers, palm-free formulations. Or if they do have to have some palm oil in them, we're only using sustainable palm oil from sustainable sources. So not only have we been able to formulate products that don't have palm oil, and some of the products where we only have sustainable palm oil, we've been able to support that whole cause by really partnering with the Auckland Zoo and really working with the Auckland Zoo Conservation Fund to help raise awareness of there are products which are just as good that don't have palm oil, so people know that they've got an option. It is very difficult to maintain manufacturing in New Zealand because of the cost of manufacturing. But what we're doing is a lot of lean manufacturing, really working on continuous improvement so that we continually keep our costs under control so that we can keep that manufacturing on shore, because it's very important for us that we keep New Zealand made as part of our product range. One of the things that we did a couple of years ago is we took Health Basics and really branded it so it was around New Zealand, really using iconic names and iconic places, Apido Bay, Blue Lake, so that New Zealanders knew that they were getting a product from New Zealand, but also as we're exporting those products into Asia, they can really get a piece of New Zealand at an affordable price. And we found phenomenal success with the appeal of the New Zealand products and real New Zealand products that are both affordable, but also they tell a real New Zealand story as part of the brand.